All right. So I've shown previously what the shields look like, so I'm not going to show you that. There really isn't too much to show. I just wanted to show you guys that I have been tinkering with it. There's a lot of behind-the-scenes stuff that's, not really this stage. However, I have been tinkering with changing the colors of the opposed to just the main tunic. So you can see here the black armor is now all black, as opposed to being a mix of colors, like when we look at, say, the white armor, which has, tan undershirt. I've previously already showed the alternate shields. So the only other thing really worth showing to the guard armors, which are actually an overwrite, so they'd probably be somewhere in here. Be an easier way of doing that. Instead, let's go and see about fast traveling to no. There's all the house shields. You see I've done a little bit of work on them. Here's the Imperial flavored shield. And let's see. No. Dawn Star. There we go. And look, Khajiiti's out here.
You've come to Dawnstar at a strange time, friend. Seems everyone in the town is having nightmares. Stay out of trouble, Imperial.
Frost took my husband years ago.
Where else can we pop around to? Leave it fine. Seriously, stop that. So, limitude.
Tell them he didn't do it.
Positions.
Sorry, you need to go.
Stand back.
There we go.
Interrupting an execution is a serious
So you can see them wearing, in this case, the digigrade boots. And you got the gold banner.
You betray now,
Staying
They're
safe,
all
I hope.
Rogver, you helped Ulfric Storm escape the city.
You see it's red for the actual
By opening that
Gate.
backplate.
Black sword, that one.
He doesn't deserve this
There was no murder. Ulfric challenged Thorin. He beat the High King in fair combat.
Pardon me.
Such is our way. Such a...
Let's see, where else can we travel to? Morthal.
What's the Jarl going to do about it?
How are we supposed to feel safe in our own homes?
Please, enough.
Been too long since we've
I have
had a
told
good
Ygritte of
bandit
your
raid.
concerns. She'll look after you all. Please, go about your business.
No need for wizards in our midst.
Morthal has enough problems as it is.
Everything all right?
If you need any alchemy supplies, I'll do my best to provide them. Assuming I haven't used... What's the hurry?
Do you like magic? Someone
No.
do something!
This what you want? Come on, come on! Skyrim belongs to the Nords.
Come on, I want to fight the damn gods.
Your end draws near.
There, you can see his shield there. And that should do. That should be a pretty good overview.
It's just sitting there? I wish I found it first.
You
I'll
can't
paint the
beat me.
snow with your blood.
By the order of the Jarl. Right there. So be it. Weren't expecting that, were